Every time after a holiday, the mood feels like a spark that has suddenly been extinguished. Those fragments flash through my mind like slides. A partner's holiday always seems cautious in the eyes of others, but only the partner knows that this is my little world. After always ending a journey, I return home dragging my baggage. The air in the hallway is filled with a familiar scent. The moment I open the door, the baggage falls to the ground, but unfortunately, my heart is still on the road. Soon, the little spirits at home are awakened, and my body involuntarily repeats the mechanical actions of the past. It's time to return to normal life. Where did that sound come from? What is a normal life? Eating 3 meals a day on time, engaging in 3 types of endless social life, days that seem busy but are actually lived without meaning. Until the stomach starts to rumble. Indeed, losing oneself still leads back to food. There is no need to marinate the meat in advance. As long as there is fresh meat and delicious barbecue sauce, my secret to success is that it won't turn out dry no matter how it's cooked. Pork belly with juicy meat, rich and fatty scallops, and beef skewers that are a must-try for barbecue lovers. With a little care, it becomes a delicious feast. First, let's prepare the tender beef for the skewers, cutting it into bite-sized pieces and setting it aside. You can also add ingredients like pineapple and green peppers, threading them one after another. Don't forget the refreshing pickles and fruits, as skipping the marinating time means you need to put more thought into the sauce. Add minced garlic, chopped green onions, and honey to the cumin barbecue sauce without diluting it with water. This way, more meat quality can be preserved during grilling. The charm of homemade sauce lies in this. Of course, don't forget the drinks to pair with the barbecue. Chilled glasses and beer are the best match for grilling. Shellfish take a long time to cook, so you can put them on the fire to grill for a while. Slowly wait for the moment when the clams open. This process is the most interesting. Add a small piece of butter and a slice of lemon to the scallops. After slowly grilling to release the aroma, just a drop of soy sauce is the best seasoning. Butter scallops are my second favorite flavor, after garlic vermicelli. Now that the taste buds have been awakened, it's time for the meat to make its appearance. Wait until both sides are grilled to medium rare, then brush on the homemade sauce, and the aroma of cumin is immediately released. The fragrance of scallions and garlic also fills the entire nasal cavity. Then wrap it in perilla leaves and put it in your mouth. As soon as it enters, the strong aroma of cumin hits instantly. Cumin barbecue sauce and beef are a perfect match. With the addition of green peppers and pineapple, the fruity aroma is rich, making it enjoyable even in a room filled with smoke. The smooth and sweet sauce wraps around the firm beef, playing a grand symphony in the mouth. Indeed, it's about eating meat.